Hello, what's up? Today I'm going to do a video on my assignments for network security. Now I'll be installing McAfee Security antivirus, and I'll be showing you 5 steps that it can do. Right now we'll go back. I've already installed my McAfee Security antivirus. Right, so there you go. What you got to do is it's pretty simple. If you have got an iOS, you got to go to App Store, download McAfee, and if you've got a normal Android phone, then just go to Play Store and download. It's free. It's free. And if you want the premium version, then you're gonna pay for it because it's got more functions that you can use in there, right? Now, when you go to the McAfee, when you tap it in, you'll come to this screen with ask you to get some permissions. You have to give your location, accessibility, driver apps, and app usage as well. It lets you track how much data apps use, so you can reduce your mobile data bill. So that's a couple of things that it does. It's pretty flexible, pretty good in doing a lot of things. But I'm gonna be probably focusing, as you can see, it says here, I've got my, and also you need to sign up in here. You've got a email address, and then you gotta choose a password or something, and then you're good to go for that. Now I don't want the McAfee Life to say free 30 days, so I'll go for the free version. Right, every time you want to upgrade, you can click there, pay, and upgrade, easy. So first thing I want to show you guys is that you got to scan the phone. So whenever you've got adwares and stuff like that, and your malware, any kind of malicious thing in your computer, maybe a ransomware where you get a lot of ads that say security warning and stuff like that, then what you need to do is go for a dig deeper for viruses. Start storage. It'll ask you what files you want to scan. Turn on, allow. There you go. It'll do deep scan for all the viruses and everything. Right, it's already done 23% of it. You also get like things like update news and stuff like that. What's more, how can you do safer transaction via phone, NFCs and stuff like that, all the things that's related to security stuff. You can do that on this. You can have a look. So Alright, as we see here, our scan's complete and we completely good. We're fully safe. So that's all good. Now we're gonna go. That was our first task. Now I'm gonna show you the second task. Alright. So the second task is related more to your anti-theft stuff like that. So we click on that, anti-theft. Now it's gonna ask you. It's basically you need to get your McAfee account, and that's all you need. If your device is lost somewhere, we can definitely track from a McAfee account, right? So that's account. We'll just sign it up. McAfee. Right, let's see. Alright, so it says just choose your pin, maybe. I'm not gonna remember that. Yeah. Pin is created. Enable anti-theft protection. So if your device is lost soon, you can quickly protect your device and data and privacy. Turn on. Turn on. GPS is on. Auto lock. We put that on too. So anyone who's got this thing, who tries to try to open this and does more than 3 entries, the thief camera gets on automatically. So that ways we can track the thief who's got the phone, right? So these are all the things you can do with the anti-theft thing. It's a lot of things you can do with that theft protection. We're gonna activate that. Right now, it resets to its factory to protect the privacy. So anything that's very, like, you got your company's data or something that's very critical and that's got a policy that's like something very important. So this is gonna go to factory setting it if it goes into theft mode. All right, there you go. So that's second task. All right, now we go back to our third task. Third task is all about privacy again. We go privacy, app privacy review, wants you like infos and stuff, and it's like basically putting alerts and stuff like that. So you can put like maybe something like common bank app, okay, just go within a category, and yeah, like high to low, app privacy, right? We can put in the low. There. Alright. So this is how your apps go, like, your alerts and stuff. So this gives you an idea of like what are the main applications that you need to keep in your mobile and what are the things that you don't need to keep in the mobile. So let's say, for example, this is very important, Samsung Teams and stuff, authentication framework, issue authentication and stuff like that. So YouTube and stuff, workout trainer, it's not that important. So that's about it. Let's see, what do we have more in privacy? App lock. Right, so this asks you your code that we said before. Boom. So you can lock these apps. So anywhere anyone's got it, you can lock these apps, and if you want, like if it's in the wrong hand, someone's got your authentication, maybe you're sleeping, scans your thumbprint or something and tries to play around with your stuff. Maybe let's say your bank applications. These are all prioritized as well. Come bank, put a PIN number, set it, lock. It's gonna get your PIN number and stuff like that, and that's how you can save it. So that was all about our privacy again. That was our third task. Now this is now performance. It's more about like what is your performance with the battery levels and like memory storage, what are the things that you need in your mobile, and tracks your data usage and stuff like that. So yeah, of course we'll go with that. Allow permission. Say goes battery booster. Now it's boosting the battery. It's looking more into detail what other stuff. Now it's a very, very highly profiled application which is programmed with a very, very sensitive data, so it's very, very highly capable of detecting what are the things that we need to use and what are the things we don't. Now brightness and stuff like that. Look, see, it goes off, auto sync. Right, says 4 hours 49 minutes. We've done the battery booster. Timeout, Wi-Fi, turn off, right? And memory booster, clean. It's gonna clean all the junk material. Look, 453 MB now free. It's more faster now. So this McAfee is definitely a very heavy application, but what all it does is it just makes your mobile very, very highly efficient to use. It makes you stay away from the things you don't even know, like you have in your phone, and things that you want to use every day. So that was our fifth. That was a fourth task, and then you've got more things you can play in it. So that's done. Storage cleaner. Let's see what have we got more. Sharing a device. Try kids mode. Now this is another thing that looks very interesting. Does your kid use this device? Create a profile with the kid selected. Alright, yeah, that's another very good feature. Like, you know, you got your stuff again in your mobile. That's very important for you to use every day. Now, you can put that on the kid stuff. Now, this is the unrestricted account. Like, you can anyone can do anything. Now, with the kid, you activate that. Kid's profile is empty. You gotta set it up. So things that they probably play games all the time, you know, PUBG, something like that. You go save. That is all. Activate. Now we can only do these two things. See? That is it. That is all it. Now with that, now it started the game. We don't want that. So that's a very good feature. Like, I'm very happy with this feature. I mean, I wouldn't never ever bother about giving my phone to kids for, you know. But that's all we have for now. Hope you enjoyed the video, and that was the 5 stars we can do in McAfee. Right, thank you.